Hi guys, welcome to my little space on the internet. If you've watched my previous live, I've explained all of this before, but I'm going to explain it again. I recently went through my channel and I wanted to change and tweak a few things. My name, a big part of it was my name here on YouTube. Brainsandthebeat was created my first year in college, basically. I just started school for nursing and my side hustle was doing makeup. So I used to do makeup for people's wedding, for photo shoots, stuff like that. And I also used to do hair on the side. So that was my little side hustle. And if you go back to my old vlogs, you'll actually see me doing other people's makeups and stuff. So that was how Brainsandthebeat was created. And I now feel like that name has expired. That name has ran its course, because every time somebody calls me Brains in public, I cringe. And it's not because people recognize me from the internet, it's just the name. I don't know if it's because it has negative connotations as far as brains is concerned, or sexual connotations. Every time somebody calls me Brains in public, I cringe. So I feel like that name has run its course and I've outgrown that name. When I had that name, I just started college, whatever. I thought it was a great idea. Now looking back at it, I don't know if I actually went through the right process of picking a name. If I had knew that so many people would have recognized me or known me from the internet, I probably would have never named my channel Brainsandthebeat. But if you're wondering why I changed my name, that is why. Also, another big reason I changed it is because I have children and I don't want my children referring to me as Brains. So I would much rather people calling me by my first name, and my first name is actually Shakera. Love my first name. I don't know why I did not use it, but welcome to the rebranding, welcome to the name change. And ShakeraSphere is just, the sphere is just, this channel just encompasses whatever I want to post, whether that be hair, beauty, lifestyle, fashion, commentary, whatever I feel like posting on my little side of the internet, that is what is going to be posted. And that's what the sphere, ShakeraSphere at the end of my new name stands for. So you're still going to get commentary videos. I don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with commentary videos at this point. I feel like commentary, especially in the sphere or the place that I do commentary, which is mostly based in Caribbean, Jamaican things, I feel like it's oversaturated, it's overcrowded, and there's a lot of opinions as far as commentary is concerned, especially now here on YouTube. It has boomed. When I first started, no one was doing it, especially no female. So I just feel like I will have to get back into the groove of doing commentary, because now I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with commentary. I can't even lie, I can't even front. When there's a hot story going around, I'm just like, I don't feel like doing it, and I don't want to do it because I already know everybody else is going to be doing it, and my opinion really don't matter. Even though I know my opinion definitely matters to a lot of people here on my channel, I still feel like it don't matter. But that's a me problem that I have to get over and just do those videos, because I know people on my channel love commentary videos. You're still going to get your lifestyle mom vlogs. Those are going to be tweaked a little bit, and you will see the little tweaks. If you notice them, you will see they're going to be tweaked big time. I needed to take some advice and switch my vlog videos, especially my lifestyle content. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you, my lifestyle content is my absolute favorite to edit. It's my favorite to post, and it's my favorite to watch here on YouTube. I actually go back and re-watch my lifestyle content because I actually love filming them and I love editing them. And even though they take a long time, because I'll have like an hour worth of film and I have to cut it down to 20 minutes, but those are my favorite to watch because that's what I actually watch on YouTube. If you see my subscription, I follow a lot of lifestyle vloggers, so that's my favorite content to do. So you guys are always gonna get that type of content, no worries. And my husband said I need to incorporate more cooking in my videos. Honestly, to me, cooking takes a lot of work to film, and I feel like my tricks are not very revolutionary when it comes down to cooking. And then again, I watch cooking channels and I'm just like, I cook totally different from other Jamaicans. So I will incorporate that also in my lifestyle videos. Another thing, my fashion videos. Also fashion, I do a lot of fashion content here on YouTube. Absolutely love fashion content. I will forever make fashion content. I actually went back and watched some of my old fashion videos, and I can't believe how skinny I was. If you've been here from back then you already know. So fashion content is always going to be on here, and I kind of swayed away from beauty and makeup and stuff. After I started doing commentary, I kind of like push beauty and makeup and stuff like that, stuff like those content on the back burner, which I will no longer do. I feel like I'm gonna go back to my roots of how I started YouTube while incorporating commentary still. So that is my little long-winded introduction to my channel, or reintroduction for all my returning subscribers. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shakira. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I've been working very hard on getting you guys nice edited quality content for this month. A lot of stuff happened, but I won't go into that. We're just going to keep it positive, and I'm going to play my intro and then the video will end. So this is the last you'll see of me, and deuces. So please comment what type of videos you guys want to see, especially makeup videos. People have been asking me for makeup videos. Do you want soft glam? Do you want no makeup looks? Bright eyeshadows? What looks do you want to see me do? Other content do you guys want to see me do? Drop video suggestions in the comment section, and also what time should I post, because according to YouTube algorithm, you guys are on here from 4 to about 6 p.m. so should I post that time more often instead of in the morning, because I normally post like 9 in the morning. So comment what your suggestions are in the comment section, and let's get into this intro.